Welcome to the Mueller Electric Close-Up Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our field wireable connectors plus how to assemble for use in the field. Our M8 and M12 field wireable connectors, also known as field attachable connectors, provide a convenient and cost-effective way to connect wires and cables in the field without the need for specialized tools or equipment. Convenient way to add M8 and M12 terminations in the field environment, providing a secure and reliable electrical connection. Widely used in industrial and commercial applications where quick and reliable connections are required. The M8 and M12 field wireable connector configuration is male or female, with various orientations available in straight and right angle orientations. The M8 connector accepts wire diameters 3 to 5 millimeters, and the M12 connector is offered in two different threads. PG7 accepting wire diameters between 4 to 6 millimeters, and PG9 accepting wire diameters between 6 to 8 millimeters, and pin positions 3, 4, and 5. Body material is nickel-plated brass used in unshielded and shielded applications, or nylon 66 used in unshielded applications, utilizes screw-in connection for wires. A-coated. 3 amp, shielded for nickel-plated brass body material, unshielded for nylon 66 body material. M8 connector size with voltage rating 60 volts AC/DC for 3-pin positions and 30 volts AC/DC 4-pin positions. M12 connector size with voltage rating 250 volts AC/DC for 3 and 4-pin positions and 60 volts AC/DC 5-pin positions. Mueller Electric's M8 and M12 field wireable connectors comply with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0. Our cables are RoHS 3 and REACH compliant, and IP67 to IP69K safety rated. Before assembly, strip the wire to the recommended length in millimeters to the outer insulation and to the conductors. M12 unshielded cable recommended wire stripping. Disassemble the connector pieces. Place the connector pressing screw onto the cable. Remove the seal from the pinch ring and place the pinch ring onto the cable and follow with the seal. Place the connector's plastic sleeve onto the cable. Connect the wire to the selected male or female insert. Connect the wire using the available pin-out chart for your cable colors to the correct pin. Adjust screw to open, place the wire, tighten the screw to secure the wire. Repeat for each wire by color and pin position. Reassemble by sliding the components to the attached connector. Fasten the pressing screw and secure tightly. With both hands at each cable end, slightly pull ends of the cable to ensure it is secure. In choosing Mueller Electric's field wireable connectors, you'll receive a reliable, high quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for field technicians and service engineers requiring flexibility for installing applications without compromising safety or quality. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.